Hey friends, today we're going to draw Beaver eating a wood log.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or colored pencils.
Yeah. All right. We need a name for this guy.
Chuck.
Chuck. That's a perfect beaver name.
Yeah.
All right, let's draw Chuck.
Okay.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. We're gonna draw Chuck, or Beaver's, nose. In the middle of our paper, we're gonna draw the letter V. We're gonna draw it this size. And the top of his nose curving around for the top. Yeah. Then let's draw his mouth. We're going to draw it curving out to the side and then up. It's a really big, kind of wide letter U. Then we have to draw his beaver teeth. We're going to draw two big teeth right in the front. So a line down the middle. Then we're going to draw the bottom of his teeth. So that's the middle line. So it looks like an upside down letter T. And then we're going to draw connecting on each side. Yeah, now it looks like a beaver.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Next, we're going to draw the rest of his face. We're going to draw an eye circle and another circle. Then let's draw the small circle that we like to add to our eyes, the highlight, make his eyes look shiny. We're gonna color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white.
Okay.
That part we sped up.
Yeah, so remember to pause the video if you need more time.
Yeah, okay. Next, let's draw our beaver's hands hanging on to the log he's gonna be eating or cutting in half. We're gonna draw two upside down letter U's. I'm going to draw them pretty close to the teeth. And we're going to draw them about here. Then we can draw the bottom of his little paws coming around. Oh, the one on the right got a little big. This one's smaller. That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we can draw the little paw fingers on both sides. Okay, next let's draw the log. And we're going to draw a short line coming out here. Well, first, actually, let's draw the line in between. And then we can draw that line, or yeah. And then we're gonna extend, or imagine that same line going through to the other side over here.
He's strong.
Yeah, really strong. Then we're gonna draw the top of the log. We're gonna start up here on his cheek. I think that's his cheek, or his snout. And we're gonna extend the top of the log. Chuck is a good name for our beaver.
Yes, he is.
And then we're gonna draw this. We're gonna make it 3D. So we're gonna draw this end of the log curved. And then on this side, we're gonna draw an oval shape that kind of matches. See, this curve kind of matches this curve. Yeah. Okay, there it is. There's the little log he's chewing on. Then next we can draw the rest of his head. We're gonna draw a big upside down letter U. And then we can draw the ears on both sides. Then let's also draw a smaller upside down letter U on both sides for the inside of the ears. Then we're going to draw his body. I'm going to start out here on the side, and we're going to draw the letter U coming down, around, and then connect over here. Then let's draw his little feet sticking out. And we can draw the little toe lines. And what are we missing?
His tail.
Yeah, we're gonna draw a big beaver tail sticking out to the side, curving around, and then connecting down here by his foot. Yes, and I like that yours is higher. That looks awesome. And we did it. We finished drawing our little beaver, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, this part we'll fast forward again, but remember, you can pause the video and color your drawings too.
And if you want, you can match our coloring at the end.
All right, let's do it. Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our beavers. Chuck.
Yeah.
Turned out awesome.
He did.
Yeah, it looks so much better all colored in, and I hope our friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, remember you can match ours or even change it.
Yeah, and even add a background. You could draw the little house or dam that he's making back here.
Yeah.
And maybe some water, a river going underneath it.
That'd be sick.
I also like that we added texture to the log and also a little swirl on the side and the checker pattern for the beaver tail.
Yeah, mine's square.
It's diagonal if you turn your paper
Oh
diagonal.
yeah.
And then we also added a shadow on the bottom to make it more 3D.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Chuck the Beaver.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.